Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to crochet this 3D flower using chain stitches. It's very quick and easy to do, especially for absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this flower are a 3.5 mm crochet hook, any type of yarn as per your choice, a tapestry needle, beads which I'll be using to sew on the center part of the flower, and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with the 3D chain stitch flower, first make a slip knot and work 45 chains. So here I am done with the 45 chains. Now we shall work the first round. So skip the first chain from the hook and going into the second chain, work one single crochet. So in this round, we'll be working single crochets into each of the chains. So just continue with this. So here I've done with the first round of single crochets, and since initially we had worked about 45 chains, so by the end of the first round the total number of single crochets worked are 44. Now for the second round, work 8 chains. And turn your work. And going back into the same stitch, work one slip stitch. Again work 8 chains. And moving to the next stitch, work a slip stitch. So this sequence repeats, that is, you'll be working 8 chains and going to the next stitch, work a slip stitch. So just continue with this pattern till the end of the round. This is how our work looks after the completion of second round. Now after working the 8 chains, I have slip stitched into the last stitch and cut the yarn. Also I have left a long tail which I will be using to assemble the flower along the base part. Now put the yarn into the tapestry needle and assemble the flower the way I am doing it. Now using this yarn, you will be sewing the flower on the base part. Now put this bead on the center part of the flower. Now once you have tied the knots on the back part, just pull out this chains in this way so that it holds shape and gives a good appearance to the flower. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.